Hi friends, welcome to another video of Big Tech Talk. In today's video, I will try to execute a shell script using Airflow. So let's start the video. This is my Docker setup for Airflow. Let me create a scripts folder where I will keep my sample shell script. I will create a shell script with the name as sample shellscript.sh. Let me write a simple shell script that will write sample output text to the output file. This script will create the file with the name as the first argument. And the output file will have the text as this is a simple shell script. The provided file name is the $file, which is the first argument. Since we have added a new folder, let's mount it. So, open the Docker Compose file and search for volumes. Now, I will copy this and will change the plugins to scripts. This will help me to mount the scripts folder. Now, let me create a Python file in the DAG folder. I will create a file with the name as execute shellscript.py. Now let's write few imports. So from Airflow, import DAG. From airflow.operators.bash, import BashOperator. From datetime, import datetime. So with DAG, I will mention the DAG ID as execute shell script. And start date equals datetime 2025-11-1. And I will schedule it as */1 and the asterisk, which means execute every minute. And I will set the catch-up as false, which means it will not run for the previous dates. And then I will set the max active run as 1, which means it will run only one DAG at a time. Now let's create a bash operator. So I will write execute _script equals bash operator. I will mention the task ID as execute _script and bash _command equals the path of the script and the output file name, which is task_output.txt. I will add first in the task name and in the task ID. Since there is only one task, we don't need to define the dependency. Now let me open the terminal, and to start the Docker, I will write docker compose up-d. And let's wait for the Airflow to be up and running. Okay, so my Airflow is up and running. Now let's open the browser and go to localhost 8080. The default username and password is Airflow. Once you are on this screen, go to DAGs, and if you are not able to see your DAG, you can search it from here. Our DAG name is execute shell script and it's over here. Toggle this icon and let's wait for the DAG to start. Let me refresh the screen and you can see our DAG got executed. Let's go to Run tab and click on the task instance, and in the log you can see a message from our script, that is file task_output1 was created with sample text. let's go to scripts folder and see if the output file is created. And this is my output file with the name as task_output1.txt. Let's add one more task to this DAG. So I will copy this and paste it. And I will change the execute script first to second. Task ID name will also change to second, and the output file name will also change to task_output2.txt. And at the end, let's add the dependency. So execute script first, execute script second. Let's go to the browser and refresh the web UI. You can see the updated DAGs with 2 tasks. Now, under the Run tab, let's see the log for the first task. And you can see the message as file task_output1.txt was created with sample text. And if I go to second task, you can see the message as file task_output2.txt was created with the sample text. And if I go to VS Code, you can see the 2 output files created under the scripts folder. So we are able to execute multiple shell scripts as a dependent task using Airflow. With this, I will wrap up today's video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Do hit the like button and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.